experience with your new Helios GX braces today?
Yeah, I mean, so this is the second pair I have, the second Helios pair. These are the GX. I had the original pair before, which I got 9 years ago. Prior to that, I have the off-the-shelf plastic ones that you just get that aren't fitted. And I still remember the first time I put on my first pair of Helios 9 years ago. It was, I almost burst into tears. It was like night and day. I felt like I was standing taller. I felt like I could, well, of course I could balance again, which was amazing. I had never been able to before.
Well, even when you're walking, you could see that the left knee is hyperextending and going outward a little. Okay, you could stop right there. Just relax. Okay, let's see if you can lift your arm straight up, how that feels.
My arm?
Yeah, your arm straight up to the sky. Feel okay like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Significantly faster. Yeah, they feel great. So now fast forward 9 years later, I've had the Helios for 9 years, but now having the GX, I have the same relative feeling now with the new pair that I did 9 years ago. So my cousin actually has CMT as well, hereditary family thing. He was over at my house and we were hanging out, and he had showed me the new pair that he got, which are the GXs, and he had just got them, I think, about a month ago before he came over to my house. And he was raving about them and, saying how much they improved his gait, and that, he was riding his bike 25 miles a day, and just how they were really a game changer. Which at the time was kind of hard for me to imagine, because the Helios, the first version that I had, were such game changers that it was kind of hard for me to wrap my head around how much better it could possibly be. Well, yeah, it was, I found out today.
And how do you feel with the new dynamic response on the Helios GX?
Yeah, so the first time I put the Helios on, one of the things that was really striking to me was just the fluidity that I had when I was walking with the first version. With the GXs, when I put them on, I felt even more fluid, which was really amazing to me. When I walk, I go heel to toe. It's a fluid motion. When I don't have my braces on, it's so hard for me to walk and so hard for me to get around, that when I do have them on, I don't even really think about walking. You just sort of throw your one foot in front of the other, and everything just kind of happens magically. It's really the best way that I can describe it. It's really a feeling of freedom and total liberation. It's very, very nice.
All right, Eric, everything looks great, and we want to follow up with you in the future and see your progress.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the first version of the Helios got me across 26 countries and over 124 cities, so I'm really excited to see what I'm going to do with this pair.
Great. Thanks so much.
All right.